How to change role name on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video we'll show you how to change role name on Discord mobile. First go to Discord and then select your server and now click this icon and then click settings, and now all you need to do is just you need to find this one, roles, and then click the role you want to change, and then change the name to anything you want, like owner, and then click save. And as you see, the name has been changed. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.